Guys, I see your DMs. A lot of you have been asking me to build a trading bot, and today we're finally doing it. So in today's video, we're going to be building a trading bot that can trade for us automatically from Polymarket. If you guys don't know Polymarket, you need to look it up. It's a prediction market, and I will be building using Polymarket because it's very easy to get Polymarket APIs, and you can also create an account quite easily. So without wasting any time, guys, let's get into it. The first thing that we're going to do, of course, is we're going to go into Cloud and we're going to write a prompt. We're going to simply write a prompt to ask it to write for us the full prompt for building our trading bot. So all you have to do is simply just tell Cloud to give us a prompt that will help us now build our trading bot. Once Cloud gives us a prompt, we go through it. Of course, we're inspecting to make sure that the strategy that our Cloud has given us and the functionality and exactly how we want the bot to work is exactly how it's going to work. So one thing that you guys need to know is when you're building a bot, you have to give it the strategy. The bot will not figure out the strategy for you. You have to do the strategy for it. So once you give it the strategy and everything and you make sure the prompt is all good, we go ahead and we tell Cloud to start building the bot for us. Cloud will get to work building the front end for the bot, building the back end for the bot, and all we have to do is actually test and ensure our bot is working perfectly. So once Cloud has built for us our bot, of course, the most important thing when you're building a trading bot is to make sure it has two modes, a live mode and a paper mode. And you always have to ensure that your bot is working perfectly in paper mode before you can move it to live mode. The only difference between the two is in paper mode, you're not using real money, but you're using your same strategy. But in live mode, you're using actual live money. So our bot is coming with the two modes already configured. We can see it as a live bot, it has a paper mode. So once we are comfortable with enough trades that have been done in paper mode, then we can go ahead and put in some real money so that our bot can get to work. Guys, once our bot has been built and we see that it is working, it's not enough. We need to test our application. It's always important to test an app because, like I've told you guys before, AI can make huge mistakes, and if you're not careful, you can easily take these mistakes with you to production. So for our testing, you guys already know we use TestSprite. TestSprite is one of the best testing agents out here. We're simply going to install TestSprite as an MCP server in our Cloud Code, and then we're going to go ahead and just simply tell Cloud Code to test our project with TestSprite, and to go ahead and actually write the entire test cases for our application, and it will also go ahead and run tests for all these test cases and give us a very comprehensive test report. And one of the best things that I like about TestSprite is they have a direct GitHub integration. This is a new feature. So that means when you've connected TestSprite to your GitHub, whenever you push a project to GitHub, TestSprite will first of all inspect the project for any bugs and errors before it goes into production. And now you don't need your QA team anymore. So you guys, make sure you test your project with TestSprite, and once it's done, you can simply tell Cloud to fix all the errors that it has found in the project based on the TestSprite report, and that's it. Once this is done, guys, your project is ready to move to the final phase, which is now you can now push it to GitHub and go ahead and actually push it to deployment. And with that, your bot should be ready to go. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have been able to use this, and if you're signing up for TestSprite, make sure you use my code Shadrach in order to get the first month off.